Meaning of glissando.
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 Glissando. Glissando is a musical term that refers to a continuous slide up or down between two notes. It is typically performed on stringed instruments, brass instruments, and the piano. The effect creates a smooth, sliding sound that can add interest and emotion to a musical passage. Glissandos can be used in various ways, including as an embellishment or as a musical statement. They are often associated with jazz and other styles of popular and contemporary music. Overall, the glissando is an expressive technique that can add depth and nuance to a musical performance.